Kendall Shiver, employee of the US Foreign Ministry and responsible for Asia policy, harshly criticizes China's inhumane policy which interned 1 million Uyghur people into concentration camps to re-educate them to Chinese culture and society. Not only Uyghur people, also other minorities from East Turkestan have to suffer huge discriminations. Together combined, there are about 3 million people interned in Chinese working camps. Former inmate of an internment camp somewhere in China, Gulzira Avalhan, speaks up about the camp's conditions. Together with her family, Avalhan is being safe in Kazakhstan and reports about her life as an inmate. As a guard told her, in her internment camp alone, there were forcibly living 18,000 people. One room held 30 people, but still the inmates were heavily isolated from each other. This way, the guards can successfully prevent an exchange of information between the inmates. In front of the Oslo Royal Square, numerous Uyghur protesters demonstrated against China's inhumane policy in East Turkestan. Images of the concentration camp inmates reminded of the constant suffering of minorities under discrimination. The demonstrators demanded an end to the occupation of East Turkestan and the cultural genocide of the Uyghur people. According to their own statements, North Korea has by no means violated UN requirements with its weapon tests. Only rocket launches and missiles with short range were tried. The nuclear conflict has no connection to this exercise, so the North Korean government, because it is prohibited for the state of North Korea to execute tests with ballistic missiles and nuclear weapons. The government of Iraq has initiated a secret operation against the Islamic State in Syria, which could not prevent an escape of IS leader al-Baghdadi. The Iraqi government announced that information about the operation, for example where exactly in Syria the happening took place, will be published at a later time. The 5th of May is celebrated in Uyghur culture with the Hat Festival. As Doppa, the traditional headgear of the Turkic people, is well known, yet the citizens of East Turkestan are forbidden to hold such a celebration. East Turkestan is the cradle of Turkish Muslim culture, and although scientists around the world know about the ancient culture and civilization in the region, scientific research is still being successfully prevented by China.